Excellent tips to get your passport. Determine the type of passport you need. Before applying, identify the type of passport you require, such as a regular passport or an expedited passport. This will depend on your travel plans and the urgency of obtaining your passport. Gather necessary documents. Collect the required documents, including proof of citizenship, birth certificate, naturalization certificate, or previous passport, proof of identity, driver's license or government-issued ID, passport application form, DS-11, and passport photos. Complete the application form. Fill out the passport application form accurately and legibly. You can find the DS-11 form on the official website of the U.S. Department of State or your country's equivalent authority. Get passport photos. Obtain 2 identical passport photos meeting the official specifications. These photos should be recent, in color, and have a plain white background. Many photo studios or pharmacies offer passport photo services. Visit an acceptance facility or passport agency. Locate the nearest passport acceptance facility or passport agency where you can submit your application. These include post offices, clerk of court offices, and some public libraries. Ensure you have all the required documents and fees when you visit. Pay the applicable fees. Calculate the fees for your passport application based on the type of passport and processing speed. Fees typically include the application fee and execution fee. Payment options vary depending on the location, but cash, check, and credit cards are commonly accepted. Submit your application. Present your completed application form, supporting documents, passport photos, and fees at the acceptance facility or passport agency. The staff will review your application and process it accordingly. Schedule an appointment, if required. Some passport agencies may require you to schedule an appointment in advance. Check the specific requirements and make an appointment if necessary. This step ensures a smoother and more efficient application process. Track your application. After submitting your application, keep track of its progress. You can use the online tracking system provided by your country's passport authority to monitor the status of your application. This will help you stay informed about any additional steps or requirements. Receive your passport. Once your application is approved and processed, your passport will be mailed to you. Delivery times may vary, so be patient. Ensure you have a secure address where the passport can be safely delivered, or opt for in-person pickup if available. Remember to start the passport application process well in advance of your travel plans to avoid any last-minute complications or delays. Please like and subscribe to support our channel.